What do you get when James Bond goes from being an international man of mystery and a spy to being a family man? You get this. This is 707 horsepower. Not only does it have 707 horsepower, it's only $169,000. And you might be thinking, wow, only? Well, brand new, it was over 350. 23-inch rims. This carbon fiber right here, the carbon fiber mirror. Look at the interior. This beautiful orange. DBX right there.
What does this button do? Phew, it's the glove box.
You have all this beautiful carbon fiber right here. All of your different modes. Here's your climate control, your radio, the infotainment system, and the eponymous start-stop button.
In this, I think it's the ejector seat. I chose not to sit back there, just in case.
Starting the DBX 707. First impressions. This thing is so incredibly luxurious. The seats hold you in. You are super bolstered. The both sides, like they wrap around you. The beautiful orange interior, this is like a lava interior, I believe they call it. Absolutely flawless. The steering wheel has this Alcantara right here in this section, nice and flat on the bottom. Very, very nice. You got your paddle shifters. Huge carbon fiber. This has every option you could possibly imagine. Whoever built this car decided to do it right. It only has 11,000 miles on it. It's unbelievably nice. It's quiet on the inside, which is what you want. You don't want a car that's too loud. This announces its presence with subtlety. You know, this is truly the James Bond spec. And I know I was kind of joking about it earlier, but James Bond never arrived in flash, he arrived in class. Huge distinction. This car is all about class. It's all about being able to give yourself the best possible ride and arrive in style. This is just gorgeous. I love being able to see on the hood. You can see the little hood scoops, which is nice. And again, this is 707 horsepower. We're not going to test them today. But I can tell you for a fact that you could feel every one of those horses waiting to be let out. All the specs on the car are going to be right here, gas mileage, etc. You have to be a very happy person if you are driving this every day. It's a heck of a nice car. Tons of visibility, nice luxury, and it has that. Who's gonna buy this car? This is an aspirational car, which means you gotta have some money behind you to buy this, but not a lot. Again, this was $300 and something thousand. Now it's $169, and it's available at the Highline Group, so check them out. Tell them the AutoHound sent you. But the other thing that this is going to give you is the person who's going to drive this is, again, you want to arrive in style, in class, and you want to be understated. The great part about Aston Martin is that they do keep them understated. They're beautiful cars, they're well designed, but I think what makes this car such a unique balance of super high style and quiet, reserved, I know what I have, that's this car. This car's unreal. And you can't feel the road, it just goes right over it. The downshifts are just absolutely glorious. So yeah, if you buy this car, you're going to have a lot of fun. You're not going to worry too much. It is just beautiful. The acceleration is for days. It just keeps pulling on you. The cornering is spot on. Wow. Very nice. Really nice cornering. Oof. This gets right up to speed. You're ready to go the second you get up on the highway. All those horsies right behind you saying, let's go. It's really, really agile. It's super athletic. We're going to cut down to GT mode. GT means Grand Touring. So, talk about touring. You're going to be able to go across the country in this in absolute luxury. It's so comfortable in here, and it's so quiet. You don't know what's going on really outside you, other than you know you're in a nice insulated area. This is gorgeous. You know, I remember when this first came out, and I was like, yeah, this is kind of nice. I'd like to see what it's like. This is just really great. This is unbelievably beautiful. And the ride is exceptional. The acceleration is instantaneous. There's no delay. If you're looking for this car, go up to the Highline Group in Lowell and buy it. Tell them the AutoHound sent you. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.